Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lightroom export settings for consistent thumbnails. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Lightroom on your computer. Navigate to the Library module. Select the images you want to export for thumbnails. Click on the Export button located in the lower left corner. In the Export dialog box, start with the Export Locations section. Choose where you want to save your thumbnails. Consider creating a dedicated folder for better organization. Next, move to the File Naming section. Check the box next to Rename to. Select a format that works for you, such as custom name or sequence number. Set the image format to JPEG for universal compatibility. Adjust the quality slider to around 80 for a good balance between quality and file size. In the Image Sizing section, check the box next to Resize to fit. Choose Long Edge from the drop-down menu. Enter a size that fits your thumbnail needs, such as 1280 pixels. Ensure that resolution is set to 72 pixels per inch. Now move to the Output Sharpening section. Check the box for Sharpen 4. Select Screen as the type of sharpening. Choose Standard for the amount of sharpening applied. Finally, review all your settings to ensure accuracy. When everything is set, click on the Export button in the lower right corner. Lightroom will now process your images and save them in the specified location. Once the export is complete, navigate to your folder to check your thumbnails. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Lightroom export settings for consistent thumbnails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.